everybody. It's Roger here and John.
Hi.
John Vong from Local SEO Search. In this segment, we wanted to speak to the industry and talk about the heating and cooling industry in Canada. It's also known as HVAC. If you're in this industry, there's a number of factors you've got to deal with when it comes to growing your business, marketing your business, and really getting your message out there in front of the public that are ready to buy. We can talk about the seasonality. Some people might not realize, but there are absolute differences in your industry in terms of the summertime when it comes to the need for air conditioning services. Switches completely over, say as of September, when it comes into heating season, because here in Canada, of course, we have two seasons, summer and winter. But in terms of, you have to have a message that reaches the community and the consumers when they're ready to buy in those different seasons. We also want to talk also in terms of in the world, there's residential heating and cooling specialists, and there's also more industrial commercial businesses. So what we're going to speak to now really resonates, and it speaks to both types of your industry.
So as you know, whoever's listening, you own a heating and cooling company. You either are starting off on your own with a small crew, or you have multiple crews with huge overheads because you have to make sure you have enough business to keep all your staff employed throughout the year. And you could be running a 3, 5, 20 crew operation for heating and cooling. So depending on the size of your business, you need a marketing strategy that will fit your purpose. And you need to understand who you want to target as your ideal customer. So what I need to let you know is, there's a lot of marketing strategies out there as a heating cooling company, and you need to make sure that you're going to have a stream of new clients as well as repeat clients throughout the year to keep your your company afloat, especially because our country here in Canada, there might be years that it's really not that hot, and you're really relying on one season, which is winter months, to keep you afloat. Because again, last year, for instance, there might have been a heat wave for maybe 2 weeks of the entire year, and that could have kick-started your air conditioning central air purchase and installs. However, the other times could just have been just maintenance or service for that part of your business. Mm-hmm. So you got to make sure that you're ready to have leads come in when someone's searching for you or finding your type of business.
Mm-hmm. And these different there's different opportunities for you. Of course, we're from Local SEO Search, so we're going to speak to the Google experience and how people search today in that world. But you also, we respect that there's other ways you can advertise too, such as flyers. There's pros and cons, but there's definitely an opportunity for air conditioning season or heating season to put flyers out that might reach a portion of the public that are in need of a new furnace for this upcoming season, or their air conditioning is just not working anymore. So there's flyers. You could go with local newspapers and put specials in there. You can go with radio. There's so many different ways to get your message out there. There's costs involved each one of them. There are pros and cons to each one of them. But the idea is for your business to thrive, you've got to get the most return for your investment, the best way you can. And then what you want to do is make sure you can get your message in front of that person when they need your service. Your industry typically, John, you can speak to this also, but it's typically an emergency style type of business, meaning a no heat situation in the wintertime is a serious situation. And in the summertime, when it's a no cool situation, it drives people insane. They can't live with the high heats. So when you've got people that are urgently needing you, they're going to be going someplace, and we'll talk about that where they typically go when they're ready to make that purchase. But you want to think about, okay, if I'm going to do a strategy through the year get my message out there, get my branding out there. What is the best way to use my marketing funds?
And you have to also remember, how do you differentiate yourself? Because there's a lot of service providers that offer the exact same service as yourself. You might say you offer more reliable service and you answer every single call. You do the best work that is humanly possible. You offer a very affordable rate for all your clients.
1 hour service.
Yeah, there's things that can kind of differentiate you, but end of the day, someone has an emergency, they need to find someone, and they're gonna probably call 1, 2, 3 people, get a hold of someone that they kind of like on the phone, and the price is reasonable. They're gonna ask for that service call to be made, as long as you can do what you say you're gonna be able to do. Mm-hmm. So there's a couple of things to consider. So when that person has that emergency, where do they tend to go when they're looking for your type of service? A heating issue or central air issue. The human tendency today is they probably will go online and they're gonna look, or actually before they go online, you probably will ask your friends or family if they know of someone that offers heating and cooling. If no one in that realm of circle of yours knows of anyone, you'll probably do your own research. Especially if you're new to town, you're new to Canada or immigrant, or even move to a new city, right? You don't know who to turn to. You don't know where to go, so you're probably gonna do your own research, and you're gonna Google certain keywords like heating contractors in Toronto, Ontario, or the best heating contractor, or heating installation, furnace installation. If it's cooling, it'll be air conditioner services, air conditioning installation, central air installation. These are all
ductless systems. Yeah.
This is all residential, but of course, if you're doing industrial or commercial and you're a business owner, it'll be industrial heating, cooling services. Mm-hmm. So that's typically how people search, but there's going to be a lot of websites that come up, and there's going to be ads. There's going to be a lot of things that you're going to be competing with once they find it on Google, right? Typically, most of the people will only search on the first page. So how do you differentiate yourself on that first page even? So maybe Roger, you can talk about what we can do to help you differentiate.
Mm-hmm. And many times we get this question all the time from businesses, all business owners. They'll say there's only 10 spots. How can everybody get to that spot on page 1 of Google? And our answer is, and the truth is to get to page 1 for search engine results on Google or on Bing or Yahoo. It's the similar and the same for all of them. Google and these search engines, they determine we're going to put the best websites with the best information for any type of search that's going on. So whether you're looking for a lawyer, whether you're looking for a carpet cleaner, whether you're looking for heating and cooling, they'll put out the best websites up first on page 1. Now you might ask, well, how do they know who's going to be the best? So you have to understand Google has a system. They rank all websites. They've got over 200 signals they're looking at on any website. So local SEO search, what we do is we analyze your website. We do keyword research. We'll do all of the things that are required both on your website itself and off pages that Google's wanting, and that will earn your website high ranking in that movement to eventually to page 1. Things like reviews, things like time spent on your page, things like bounce rate. You may not even know what bounce rate is, but that is literally how quickly someone comes on and leaves a site. If they leave too quickly, that's a bad thing, and that hurts your SEO activities. So there's so many of these factors. It's not a part-time job. Not one person can just do this anymore. It's very, very complicated. We've got a full team of experts that can do all this. Some of the other things, John?
And again, I always tell people or business owners, you're not going to convert every single person that lands on your website. There's going to be a lot of shoppers. There's going to be people that click on your website, visit 3, 4, 5 other websites, or even 10, 20 before they kind of make a decision as to narrowing it down to 3 that they like. So what you need to ensure is you have other factors such as engaging content, blogs that are new and improved and actually can relate to who your customers are, social media that is engaging. So is it updated on a regular basis? Do you have positive reviews, recent reviews, variety of different reviews? Are you in different citations and directories, such as if you're heating and cooling, are you also on Homestars? Are you in other directories so that, or Houzz or other places that people will be searching you out to make sure that you're a credible business that stands behind what you say and promise, and reviews and testimonials make a huge difference. Is there before and after pictures of some of the work that you've done? There's other factors, and the more you put out there, the better off you are, because people tend to like doing their own research. They tend to like being in control, and Google sees that. They know what, how these signals affect your ranking. So as long as you're an option for that customer, that potential customer that's found you on that first page, you have the opportunity to win them over, or you might have an opportunity to generate that lead. So another thing to really consider is once someone calls you or sends an email, how do you actually respond, right?
Yeah.
So
Answering the phones. To that point, we say this many, many times. We make your phone ring. We get your emails to come in. So our job is to get those leads to a business. But when that phone call comes in, you as the business owner, you have to continually train your staff. The next person on that phone helps pay your salary. So you've got to be bright. You've got to be engaging. You've got to be helpful. You can't answer the phone like you're having a bad day. You've got to be able to be responsive. You can't let things go to voicemail. Today, it's immediacy. People want to talk to someone live. So these are the tips and tricks that we, and foundations of success. We will counsel you as a client. Not only have a great website and rank it well, but when that lead comes in, how are you handling it? How is your team handling it?
So please give us a call here at Local SEO Search. We're here to service any heating and cooling contractor that focuses on residential, industrial, commercial, anywhere in Canada. We are located here in Toronto, Ontario. So give us a call at 416-888-8756. One last note, remember SEO works for you 365 days of the year, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. It's once you're there on that first page organically, you don't have to pay money for ads and other types of advertising, because you earn your way the natural way, and you have become the most authoritative website in Google's eyes. So you want to maintain it, and that's what we do to help you become that authoritative business that you might be representing, not currently representing online.
And think of it as a steady stream of ready to buy customers. That's what the ultimate is for every business. So we help you get that steady stream of leads coming in. We'll also help you show you how to convert those service calls and what things to talk to your clients about.
Perfect. Well, thanks a lot, Roger.
Thank you.